Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to embark on a journey of discovery? Today we celebrate Redder Road Map Day, a special occasion dedicated to the art of navigation. It's a day to appreciate maps and their importance in our daily lives. Maps have been guiding us for centuries. They help us navigate the world, whether we're exploring new cities or hiking through the wilderness. These essential tools for exploration and survival have been our companions on countless adventures. Reading a map is a valuable skill that connects us to the world around us. It allows us to understand our surroundings, identify landmarks, and make informed decisions about our routes. With a map in hand, we can plan routes, find our way, and embark on exciting journeys with confidence. So let's dive in and learn more about the fascinating world of maps. Happy Reader Road Map Day!
Maps have been around for centuries, serving as essential tools for navigation and understanding the world. Early humans drew maps on cave walls, capturing their surroundings and the locations of vital resources. They used natural materials like charcoal and ochre to create these early representations of their world. These maps showed hunting grounds and water sources, crucial for their survival and daily life. As civilizations developed, so did maps, becoming more sophisticated and detailed. The ancient Greeks made significant contributions to cartography, advancing the science of map-making. They created maps with latitude and longitude lines, introducing a new level of precision. These maps were more accurate and detailed, reflecting a deeper understanding of geography and the world around them. Throughout the Middle Ages and the Age of Exploration, maps continued to evolve, guiding explorers to new lands and discoveries. Today, maps have transformed with technology, from paper to digital formats, providing real-time data and satellite imagery. We now rely on interactive maps and GPS for everyday navigation, showcasing the incredible journey of maps throughout history.
In today's digital age, we have GPS and navigation apps. However, map reading skills are still crucial. Technology can fail us, batteries die, and signals get lost. Knowing how to read a map can be a lifesaver in emergencies. It helps us understand distances, terrain, and landmarks. These skills are essential for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts.
Section 4. Mastering the Roadmap. Reading a roadmap might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. First, orient yourself. Find north on the map. Look for the compass rose. Next, locate your starting point and destination. Roads are marked with different colors and thicknesses. Use the map's legend to understand the symbols.
Section 5. Fun facts about maps. Maps have been an essential part of human history for centuries, guiding explorers, travelers, and adventurers to new and exciting places. Did you know that the largest map in the world is the size of 4 tennis courts? This massive map is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to understand and navigate the world around us. It's a roadmap of the United States. Imagine the effort and detail that went into creating such a colossal representation of the country's roadways. Another fun fact, the word map comes from the Latin word mappa, which means napkin or cloth. This is because the earliest maps were often drawn on pieces of cloth or parchment. Remember, maps are more than just tools. They are windows into different cultures, histories, and geographies. Each map tells a story of the people and places it represents. They are gateways to adventure. Whether you're planning a road trip, hiking in the mountains, or exploring a new city, a map can be your best friend. So grab a map, explore the world, and never get lost. Maps can help you discover hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path destinations that you might otherwise miss. And as always, stay adventurous. Embrace the unknown and let your curiosity guide you to new experiences and memories. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Your support helps us bring you more fun and informative content.